Hi, I'm Noah, and I'm going to tell you about the average cost to build a website. The truth is, there really is no average cost to build a website, because this depends in large part on your computer skills and on how many websites you'd like to make. This is because generally, the more websites you make, the lower the cost per website will be. First of all, to build a site, you're going to need an HTML editor like Adobe Dreamweaver. These programs are very expensive. For example, in the case of Dreamweaver, $400. However, you'll be able to use them over and over again to build as many websites as you wish. Finally, once you've actually built the website, you're going to need web hosting. Now, if you're a very large online business, then you might want a dedicated server, in which case you're looking at prices of around $70 per month. If you're just a large business, but don't need a huge amount of traffic, then a virtual dedicated server might be right for you, which is around $30 a month. But finally, for most users, you're just going to want simple website hosting, which, as you'll see, has prices around $5 a month. Here again, though, you have several options depending on how big your website is going to be, or whether you want to have several websites on one hosting plan, and things like this. But in most cases, you'll be looking at a hosting price of around $5 or $6 a month. Then, that's still not enough because you'll also need to purchase a domain. This, however, is relatively cheap, and .com domains, which are the most commonly used, cost around $10 per year, for example. Finally, if you're not a very advanced user, you can turn to an all-in-one alternative like Homestead, which offers hosting and a very easy-to-use web design tool for beginners, all starting at $5 per month. However, this gives you much more limited options than using an HTML editor like Dreamweaver.